Good morning, good afternoon, whatever you are. Today is Thursday, August 6th. Hi, Cami. And we woke up and went straight to the girls' school to pick up the devices. They're gonna be on homeschool, and I haven't had anything to eat. I'm doing the intermittent fasting, and I'm starving. So I'm having a coffee and some tuna. So yeah. I have my coffee ready. And most likely every day I eat. That's my husband playing Xbox. Most likely I eat eggs every single day. But I don't know, since I had surgery, like I feel that things that I used to crave or eat a lot, I gotta have like no desire to eat them, or just I don't know. Okay, for life. So yeah, it's basically done. I put some crackers on. That's basically it until dinner time. Then just before dinner time, I have like a snack or something, or just wait till dinner time. And after this, just water and water and water and more water.
First floor. Yeah. They're climbing up. One ended up top. I can't get back up from here.
So today's gonna be my first day after surgery, and I'm gonna try to work out, and let's see how it goes. I have some workouts already that I'm gonna start. It's called Clean Week from Beachbody, so let's see.
So I want you to be focused on this week only. It's that first step that counts. So we're gonna make some small changes.
Yoga mat.
At a time, but I know that that's gonna be
So let me just start. My body feels like still have some workout to do. I have like 11 minutes left, but I'm taking it very easy because I don't really supposed to be doing this. I mean, I can, it's just they're doing abs and I just can't do the abs by my doctor. Well, yeah, doing good, I guess. Good morning, guys. Yesterday I left my video halfway and I just woke up, prepared my son, and we ran out of the door for his appointment. I couldn't finish yesterday's vlog. I was doing exercises. It was my first day since I had the surgery, and my legs, they're hurting, but I couldn't finish the 30 minutes. I did like 15-ish. The other half, it was including abs, and as you know, I cannot do those type of workouts just yet. And my son were having small tantrums. So, but today is another day. He's having his 18 months checkup, and he's gonna get some shots. He's gonna get 3 injections. So I'm pretty sad. I don't like when he cries like that. So well, previous times, like, he didn't cry as I was expecting. He was very strong, but still, I don't like it. So let's see. ¿Qué tú haces? And he's not wearing a mask because he's under 2, so he's not required. He has mask. No. He does have a mask, but he don't leave them on. But yeah, he's not required to wear a mask, in case you ask. And he's naked because he is his checkup and he's having a physical. So how you feeling, Gordy? Hi. How you did at the doctor, Gordo? Awesome. We didn't show Gordo crying. I didn't want to show his face. Well, he didn't cry as I was expecting. He did good. He did cry, but not like. ¿Cómo tú lloraste? So I give him Tylenol. He did great. He's growing. His height is good. His weight is good. He's saying a lot of words. He had a little of irritation on his weenie, but they prescribe a lotion, like a cream. And now he just wants to sleep and cold. Vamos a mí. Dame un abrazo. Oh my God. Mira. Qué rico. We went to the girls' school, which was next to the doctor. Like next to the doctor. Like I can see the school through the doctor's office. We went yesterday to pick up Kami, and today we went to pick up Noli. So Let's see how I put this baby to nap. He's faking crying. ¿Cómo tú lloras? ¿Cómo tú lloras, Gori? Dile night night, digo nap nap. Nap nap. Nap nap, gordo. Bye.